Are your supplements actually working? I tested the top 12 brain supplements against clinical data, and only 3 passed. Here's exactly which ones, and the dosage that works. Okay, so your grandma keeps forgetting where she put her glasses, but they are literally on her face. Your grandpa asked you the same question 4 times in one dinner, and you are sitting there like, okay, this is not just a vibe issue, this is a brain issue, and we need to talk about it right now. Because here is the thing nobody is telling you. Memory loss is not just a grandparent problem anymore. It starts decades before you even notice it. And if you are 60 plus, or you love someone who is, you are already behind if you are not paying attention to this. So we are going to go through the top 3 supplements that are actually backed by science to repair memory and protect the brain from dementia. Not bro science, not your cousin's wellness pyramid scheme, actual research. Let's get into it. Number 1. Lion's mane mushroom. And yes, that is a real thing, and no, it is not a vibe. Lion's mane is a functional mushroom that literally stimulates the growth of nerve cells in the brain. It contains compounds called hericenones and erinacines, which cross the blood-brain barrier and tell your brain to start rebuilding itself. Studies have shown that adults over 60 who take lion's mane consistently show significant improvement in memory and cognitive function after just a few months. The dosage you want is around 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day. Look for brands like Host Defense, Real Mushrooms, or Mushroom. These are not random internet brands. These are the ones researchers actually use as reference products. Number 2. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA. Your brain is literally 60% fat, not an insult, a fact. DHA is the most important fat for brain structure, and if you are not getting enough, your neurons start talking to each other like they have bad Wi-Fi. Studies show that DHA supplementation slows cognitive decline, reduces inflammation in the brain, and may actually reduce amyloid plaques, which are the literal physical sign of Alzheimer's disease. Dosage is 1 to 2 grams of DHA per day. Look for brands like Nordic Naturals, Carlson, or Viva Naturals. These have third-party testing and actually contain what they say they contain, which is more important than most people realize. Number 3, and this one is criminally underrated, phosphatidylserine. Say that 5 times fast. Phosphatidylserine is a phospholipid that covers and protects brain cells and carries messages between them. As you age, your levels drop and your brain starts buffering. The FDA has actually acknowledged that phosphatidylserine may reduce the risk of cognitive dysfunction in the elderly. Not a wellness influencer. The dosage is 100 milligrams 3 times per day, so 300 milligrams total. Brands like Jarrow Formulas, Now Foods, and Life Extension are solid picks. Now here is where it gets chaotic and real at the same time. Most people know about these supplements, but they never actually take them consistently because they forget. And yes, the irony is devastating. Taking supplements for memory, but forgetting to take the supplements, is genuinely the most chaotic human experience possible. So what is the physical solution that actually helps? You need a supplement organizer that is so good it removes the excuse completely. And the one that keeps going viral for a reason is the AUVON Weekly Pill Organizer on Amazon. It has multiple compartments for morning, noon, and evening doses. It is color-coded. It is easy to open even for people with arthritis. And it is the kind of thing that turns a chaotic supplement routine into something that actually happens every single day. The link is in the description, and it is under $15, which means there is literally no excuse. The research on these 3 supplements is real. Lion's mane rebuilding nerve cells is real. DHA protecting your brain structure is real. Phosphatidylserine keeping your neurons communicating is real. But none of it works if the pills stay in the bottle because nobody remembered to take them. Your brain is not finished. It is not done. Neuroplasticity means the brain can literally rewire and rebuild at any age. 60 is not the end of cognition. It is just the point where you have to stop leaving it to chance and start being intentional. Share this with someone who needs it. Drop it in the family group chat. Send it to the person who keeps losing their glasses that are on their face. They will thank you later. Probably twice, because they forgot the first time. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.